Selling consumer electronics is a lot about experience, and therefore virtual reality is a big opportunity to give our consumers a complete new shopping experience in a much better way than just browsing it online, and therefore we decided to build the virtual showrooms into our stores. After our decision to launch a virtual showroom, the biggest challenge was to find the right innovative partners, Kivida and InnoActive, and we really enjoy working with them together and also get some more industry partners who are also very innovative and work with us on this project.
Kivida is the fastest growing seller of kitchen in Germany. We are selling over 1,000 kitchens every month, and so we understand the demand of the kitchen buyers in Germany. Virtual reality is the perfect instrument to make this experience great for the consumer.
We think we can really revolutionize how retail works. You just need 3 by 3 meters to display whatever product you would like to show to your clients. So that saves a lot of cost. On the other side, it creates so much more possibility in terms of portfolio of product you can have.
It's super exciting what Media Saturn is doing with virtual reality. They are offering a super high quality experience, very interactive, very flexible, that really immerse people into the ability to create their kitchen of their dreams.
War eine neue Erfahrung, hat richtig Spaß gemacht.
Es ist einfach zeitsparender, ich muss nicht in 1000 Küchenstudios laufen.
Man hat einen besseren Bezug zum Produkt.
Es ist echt super, es ist wie in echt. Das war richtig realistisch.
Virtual reality will definitely be one of the big game changers, and therefore it's very important for us to gain insights very early. That's what we do. We believe we can define the future.